What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Fonzie back with another video. Hope y'all liked the video today. I appreciate everybody for showing love and running the numbers up. Yeah, let's get into the video. I know it can't just be me, but do y'all ever have the urge to just run from the cops just to see if you can get away? I know it's not just me. I know it's not just me. If you've ever had that urge, drop it down in the comments. I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not. I'm talking about, like, I just want to do it just to see. Like, all right, you caught me, you know, I was just kidding type, you know what I'm saying?
33, 39 liters, 1050, rolled over multiple times.
Yeah. Dude's doing cartwheels.
They rolled over onto the on-ramp for I-90 westbound. 33, 39, I need fire and I need EMS. We have one ejection.
What does that mean? They were, I don't know what that means. So they released a suspect to go help this cop?
Is it just you three? Is it just you three?
Yeah, sir. I don't want
one more in the car.
Oh my God. I don't.
33, 39, occupied 4 times. Out.
Oh no.
the brake wouldn't work. I was trying to
just go over there for a bit.
Jesus.
39, there's supposed to be another occupant.
They didn't turn Morgan into a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Is that Morgan?
Can you hear me?
Or Wyatt, whatever.
Stay right here for me, okay? We're gonna get you help, buddy.
Is he okay?
Just leave him.
That nigga said, "Can you help me?"
I'm okay. I'm the only one.
You said
about to
there's
die.
4 total people.
There's one more. He's not in the car. I don't know where he is.
He about to die.
$33, $39. There's one ejected in between. Just stay over here with him. I found him. Stay here with him. Stay here and talk with him and make sure he's okay.
This nigga did not listen. He said, "Stay there."
Go back over there.
How bad is he?
Just go over there and talk to your friend. Go ahead. I'm going to try working on this patient. I just need some people on this ramp with me.
He tried to beat him over there. He told him to stay.
Hey, Travis.
I need help here.
Are these guys all good?
It's like a badass kid when you tell.
3305. I have the on-ramp shut down. Watch out. Sir, no, stop.
Y'all ever tell y'all dog to do something and they don't do it? You have to be mean to them, like you have to yell. Because now you disrespecting me because you know what I'm saying. So you just have to yell no for them to listen. I feel like that's what's going on here.
No, stop. No, Jaden. Oh.
Like, didn't I tell your ass to go sit down? Type shit. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know it.
Anybody else in the car? Go ahead. Oh my God! So how many people are in here?
It's me, him, and like 2 other people. I promise. I don't.
Okay, sit down.
I'm the only one to bust it up.
3305. We're gonna need at least 2 rigs. Hey, bud, can you hear me? Hey, get your AED.
Huh?
Damn.
Breathing.
AED. I'm getting it. Right down there on the side of the car. Larry, go to him.
What? Is that a person?
Hey, Greg.
Oh, no.
AED, hurry up.
No, he's on the phone.
Okay, are you injured? Just your hand? Okay. Okay, we need to get that on him now.
You need this?
Got your scissors on you?
Yep.
Jesus.
Put it on him. Hurry up. I'm gonna go check on them over there. Okay. Just stay right there. Hey, stay sitting down. You need to sit down.
Damn, they hit the nigga head. Fuck.
You got the action badge? I don't. Hey, you gotta stay with me. Huh? Hey, was there only 4 of you?
Yes.
Okay, that's all we need to know right now. Just sit tight, okay? I don't know yet. I'm not over there.
What's the AED say? No shock device. He still has a pulse, but I'm getting all this stuff set up. You see any other obvious deformities? Check his legs.
Ah, God, y'all. Why y'all ain't tell me? We only got halfway through the video.
What do we got going on?
This guy's in worse shape.
He needs to go first.
This guy needs to go.
He's in worse shape?
This one's in worse.
Does he have a pulse?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me talk to him.
Still have pulse?
Yeah, but he's not breathing on his own. We're going to start CPR. We need a back valve mask.
We need O2.
Okay, so we're gonna need at least 4 rigs.
Yeah, we got more time.
Okay, so you're gonna have to decide who you need to go to because they're both in the same condition.
I had him talking to me when I got here.
He's
out
gone.
now.
Yeah, he's gone. Not dead, but
He's got pulse. Look, he's
Okay.
got blood coming out of his face.
he's got a pulse. So yeah.
I thought they both had a pulse.
Don't touch.
So he's got agonal breathing.
Agonal breathing, but he has a pulse.
Come on now. We know what agonal breathing is by this point.
Here we down here right away.
It's 2026.
If some of you can go down there.
When was
now.
this? Oh, this is over a year ago.
Yes, he's fine. He's just sitting in the
No
chair.
extrication is what I'm asking.
No extrication.
Fuck is extrication?
We need a back
Nah,
valve
that's what they should have put a fucking definition for. Extrication.
I need you to lay down real still. No, you need to lay down.
So he's got a pulse, but agonal breathing.
Real faint pulse.
He's got agonal breathing.
We thought we couldn't find the 4th one, but they're not under the car, so we're good right now.
No worries.
Yeah. So.
Was that a tow truck?
Yeah, we're gonna
Oh, yeah.
down here eventually.
What do you need?
Probably gonna hopefully not go to CPR, but we may.
Breathing. I'm gonna get that going. You want to get it hooked up to oxygen? I'm not feeling a pulse. Let me know when you're out there. Stop.
Don't touch patient. Analyze.
I got a pulse.
You do?
Yep.
Okay.
No shock advised. Start
What?
CPR.
Hold on. I have a pulse. We're good.
He's not breathing though.
Yep, he's agonal breathing.
Yeah, he is. Come on, fucking messer. I can hear him breathing.
Agonal breathing, but he has a pulse at the moment.
I'm guessing he's got some form of laceration on the back of his head because that's full of blood.
Nah, you can't hear. He not breathing. I hear him breathing.
Yeah, we got paramedics with that one. He's still breathing. So
Just keep dragging, try and keep his chin up. It'll keep his airway open until I can get some stuff.
Not for the last like 15 seconds or so.
Yeah, you might. It's real faint, real slow.
We might want to pat that guy down maybe. But just his waistband at least, because we don't know what their deal is.
Let's go ahead. Let's just start CPR again. I'm gonna go see what I can find.
Do you mind patting him down, his waistband? Chief, are you
Oh, they drunk. Come on.
Ramps meet here?
Yeah, so we need to shut that
I don't know if y'all seen it.
Suction for him.
Suction, Larry.
He asked if they was drinking. They said we all were.
We need suction.
DUI. That's manslaughter. If one of them died, that's manslaughter. Vehicular manslaughter.
You want to help her with it?
I forgot how long they get for that, but
Okay, you guys are going there. Okay, there. You need suction because they already have it used over here. And they need
God
suction
damn, that bitch sound good. I
Suction.
don't know who called it.
Yeah.
Someone take over compressions on the next round. All right, you ready?
I don't know what kind of car they got, but that bitch sound good.
Okay, we should be able to start back again. I'll stand by reception. Let me know when you're set up. Ready?
Shit startled me a little bit.
Here we go. Now it's working.
Come on.
What's your son's name? The one who's over on the other side.
So who's this?
This is my brother.
That's Jaden. Who's in the car still? Jeremiah. Who's the other friend?
I think his name is Wyatt.
Last name?
I have no idea. I can't start to see. I have no idea what his last name is. This is the first time I met him. Can we hold it?
Yeah, if you want to, he's gonna have to hook it up.
There with it. You can see. I just can't see anything.
Gotcha. 10, 11, 14, 15.
In my ambulance, if we have any calls, we'll call it.
Where is it at?
Behind the portage.
Okay.
I got one.
Want that collar on? I want to get this airway stabilized. I need a collar. I need to get him on here. Let's get him on that board.
You can't feel his legs. He got ejected and his bathroom.
They're getting him a collar. Everything in that bag's pediatric.
They about to life flight them boys out of there? I heard a helicopter. Oh, yeah.
Advise the third one in to go to the hospital.
10-4, I will call and tell them to go straight to the hospital.
And it's bad.
How you feeling, man? You must hit the steering wheel and the dash pretty hard.
I'll be honest, I got scared and panicked. Once I seen the lights, I went to push on the brake and it literally just went all the way down, so I just panicked. I've always been taught if my brakes fail in that situation, just try to get off the interstate as soon as possible to avoid hitting other cars.
So you're saying your brakes failed?
Yes, my woman even told me to be careful because
The
her
cop-
brakes were bad.
the
Now
cop
she
don't
needs
believe
to
her.
replace them her next paycheck.
And you tried to hit the brakes after the deputy turned on his lights?
Yes.
How much did you have to drink today?
2 beers, and that was throughout the whole day since 9 o'clock this morning. And that was just me sipping on them throughout the day.
You think marijuana would be in your system currently?
It will be.
When the brakes didn't work, you
Oh,
actually
yeah.
went above the 87 end.
I started going faster so that way I could try to get off the interstate as soon as I could.
Hell
You know
no.
you're under arrest for the homicide by intoxicated use of motor vehicle.
Yep. Yep.
I was a dumbass today, had some beers while driving, hit my fan. I have to deal with the consequences of that.
I can tell you that one person died out at the scene and another person's in critical condition here right now.
I got nothing but respect for you guys. My family's told me
Boy.
I wanted to follow my father's footsteps. He did 23 years Army. I wanted to be like him.
They talked to you about the air they found between your chest wall, your lung, and you also have a bruising of the other lung. You gotta make sure you're taking nice deep breaths because those shallow breaths will lead to further pulmonary injury.
Once you guys are done with that, throw it away.
This is gonna go on your property. I know the right. Take a seat right there.
How you doing, Jeremiah?
I just want to see my woman. I haven't even called her yet. I've been scared too.
You
talking about
license being in here?
Oh, I'm scared. I've always been a good kid. This is out of me.
Damn, how old is
Somebody out there would want to be able to hear your voice and know that you're okay.
My buddies just wanted to go to the mall, to go shopping, convinced me to convince my woman to let us take her car up there. That was a bad mistake.
There's different agency and stuff. They're gonna do like the download of your vehicle and verify, like you said, if the brakes weren't working. They'll be able to kind of see all that stuff, and they'll.
Yeah, because I pushed the brake, it just gave me no response.
Yeah, you know,
so
that's stuff
either
that-
I didn't push it hard enough. She said
Hell
she
no.
had it happen.
You said it went all the way down.
Did you already have lunch?
I'm not hungry. I have no appetite after yesterday.
Using data recovered from the SUV, investigators determined that the driver, Jeremiah Johnson, was traveling 118 miles per hour just 5 seconds before the crash with the accelerator pressed almost fully to the floor. About 3.5 seconds before impact, the accelerator was released, and the SUV's data shows that the brakes were applied hard until the collision occurred, indicating Jeremiah's brakes were indeed working. The front passenger, Jaden, who was determined to not be wearing a seatbelt at the time of the crash, was pronounced deceased at the scene at 5:28 p.m. During rollover crashes, when occupants are unbelted, They are frequently ejected out the side of the vehicle, resulting in the vehicle rolling over them. 2 other passengers were also injured. One of them, Wyatt, suffered life-altering injuries in the crash, while the other, Dawson, was airlifted to the hospital and released later that night. As a result, the driver, Jeremiah, was charged with homicide by intoxicated use of a motor vehicle, 2 counts of operating while intoxicated causing injury, reckless driving causing great bodily harm, several counts of recklessly endangering safety, fleeing an officer, negligent operation of a motor vehicle, and additional driving-related offenses. After almost a year of court motions and delays, Jeremiah Johnson struck a plea agreement with prosecutors, pleading guilty to multiple charges related to the crash, and was sentenced to 5 years in prison. In a tearful statement, the victim's father asked to hug the defendant, which the judge allowed. Official court records indicate it was an especially emotional moment for both the suspect and the victim's families. Johnson is scheduled for release in late 2029.
Y'all drive safe out there, y'all boys. Be safe.